Hi and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Gina Louise. If you are new, please introduce yourself in the comments. If you are returning, please say hi. I've been working on my garden and I have so many great DIYs to show you for your garden, and I decided to bling mine out this year. In this DIY, I'm going to teach you how to make fairy sticks. I've never made these fairy sticks before, so you're going to learn with me. I bought this floral wire from the dollar store. You're going to need your jewelry pliers or any kind of pliers, something to bend the wire with. I'm using 12 millimeter pearls from the dollar store, and I grabbed a bunch of beads and some extra wire from my jewelry making stash. Anyway, I had all these like really pretty blingy beads, and I thought that they would make great sparkly sticks for the garden. I wasn't sure about the size of the wire, and I didn't know if I could use the wire that the Dollar Tree had, but it ended up being the best wire out of all of them. The silver wire is from my jewelry making stash, and it is a little bit thinner than the purple wire I'm using from the dollar store. And then the black wire is even thinner, which did not work because it was not strong enough to stand up with the beads on it. But you will see later in this video that it made the perfect antennas for my butterflies. Anyway, I took the wire and I just curled it. I kept rolling it until it made this really pretty little spiral top. And then when I got it to the size that I liked, I cut the wire. I made them in several different sizes, you'll see. So I don't really have a measurement. I just looked at it and said, wow, this will look good this height in the garden, and this height will look good in a flower pot. And I made several of these, all different heights. So I just cut it. This wire is so easy to cut. And then I started just stringing beads on. It's that easy. But the only thing is with the Dollar Tree wire, it is a little bit thick, so you have to find beads that have holes that are big enough to slide on. Several of the beads that I love that I wanted to use, the holes were not big enough to slide on this wire. So that's why I tried the other wire as well, because they slid on the silver wire and the black wire. But I really liked the Dollar Tree wire the best. I also made a few sticks with wooden skewers. Now just string the beads on in any pattern that you like, whatever looks pretty to you. And like I said before, you have to check the size of the hole, because you might have these beads that you love, but they just will not go on the wire because it's too thick. But I did use a lot of the Dollar Tree pearls because they went on nice and they looked really pretty, and I alternated it with a lot of my pretty blingy beads. Any of the beads that were too tight, like this one, I saved them till the end so that they would hold all the beads in place. Do you see any beads here that just pop off the page that you love, that you would have used on your fairy stick that I didn't put on mine? Comment below and let me know if there's any beads that you see that you just love. See, I saved that tight end cap for the end because it helped hold the beads in place, even though I did add a little bit of hot glue to each one of the sticks to hold the beads in place. Now I'm stringing them on the silver wire. That's the wire that is like the medium width. It's not the, you know, the thinnest, and it wasn't as thick as the purple one. And so now I'm trying this one because there are several beads I could use on this one that I couldn't use on the purple wire. At this point in my fairy stick making, I had no idea if this wire was going to work, and I had no idea if the black wire was going to work. Which color did you like better? Do you like the teal and blue beads with the pearls, or did you like the purple, lavender, and pearls? Which mix did you like better? Tell me what your favorite colors were in the comments below. And if you make these, let me know what color you're going to make your fairy sticks in. And I would love it if you would tag me on Instagram if you do make them and you post photos at Just Gina Louise. I added a little dab of hot glue to hold the beads in place. You can leave them just like this for your garden, or you can add, the Dollar Tree has little dragonflies in the floral section, and I put them on the black wires, and I also did butterflies that I had, and I wired them into the tops as you see here. So I did dragonflies and butterflies on a lot of them as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I inspired you to bling out your garden with some fairy sticks. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me grow my channel. And please consider subscribing to my channel and ring the little bell so that you can find out when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.